We're going to switch the lights on now. Good. Excellent. Great stuff. I hope you can all see the chart very soon. It's coming up. Hello, Adiwale. You're welcome. Excellent. Great stuff today. Great stuff. Nice to see you all. Okay, it's been a good market today. If you've traded today in the market, can you let us know if you take any trade today at all? Anyone? Any trade? Did you attempt the market? Did you jump today at all? Make any move? Any attempt at all today? Anyone? Yes, Flanders, you did. Good stuff. All right, 6 pairs plus gold. Wow. Gee, that's good. Right, we're gonna see that very soon. Okay, while that is going on, let me just quickly show you something. One of our subscriber, one person on this chart sent to me today. Okay, maybe you will see it now. All right. Oh, good. Daudu made money today. Excellent. Kate. Kate was sleeping. Gee. Now there's money to be made. Don't worry. Daudu made money today. I'm happy for you. Yes, Kobe. Nice one. Yes, nice. Oh, you were trading. Good stuff. Today was awesome. GBP USD. Excellent. You jump over the place, Flander. Don't break your legs. Don't break your legs. All right. Yes, nice. Oh, Modesta made 30 pips in GU today. Excellent. All right, Ismail, you took euro-dollar trade today and you were in good profit. Great stuff. Was very good. Today is Friday. Gee, Flanders, you made that much today. Congratulations. I'm happy for you. Excellent. That's what we want to hear. Right, Philemon, Pound Japan, 60 pips. Great stuff. Wow. 0.3. Excellent. So you did a 0.3 and you came out 0.15, 0.15. That's good. You're welcome. No worries. You're welcome. Okay. Good. So I just want to show you this screenshot that one of us on this chat here on the live session yesterday, they watched this, they were part of this session yesterday and they sent this screenshot on my email, and I thought I would show you guys that it's not a joke, you know. It isn't a joke at all. It's real. I think this is I didn't ask the person whether this is a live account or demo account, but from the look of things they were so excited to send it, so I will assume that it's a live account. And some of the guys that are talking already now, I'm sure they are talking about their live account as well. So great stuff. Eugenia, you got gold 10 points. Very nice. Very sweet. Good evening, Majid. You're welcome today. Hope you are well. Excellent. Okay, so we are good to start. All right. So let's review what happened today. Yes. From Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Welcome. Right. Excellent. So let's get the ball rolling. Let's get the ball rolling now. It's your first time here, Sam, welcome. Welcome, Sam. This place is for you as well. Just enjoy yourself. Whether you made, oh yeah, die hard, 12 pounds. Profit, great. Glad we are winners on this channel. Let's call it the winners channel. This is the winners channel. Oh, great, 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 great. Every day you've been here, Majid. You're welcome. Excellent. Okay, so let's see what's happened today with euro dollar. We're starting with euro dollar today. Euro dollar, the most popular traded pair in the whole world. Euro dollar, euro USD. Okay, so here we go again today with our box. So if you have any question while the lesson is going on, you can pop in your questions and we'll try to answer. Some people will even answer you before I can answer you. Most of the guys there now, they know the system in and out. Right, so this is euro dollar. Shall we start with euro dollar today, right? Is it good to start with euro dollar? Yeah. All right, so let's get on with the euro dollar. So we have the box. Okay, the box is here. All right, those of you that traded the euro dollar live today, were you tricked into this trade here? Let me make it bigger. Yeah, this is the box, and we see a little bit of popping out of the box. Were you tricked into that trade? Were you supposed to go long there? Yes or no? Okay, were you supposed to go long in that area at all today? Look at the line here. So if you follow the rules, will you be tricked out to enter long trade here? No. No, that's correct. No, 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 no. My students are saying no. No way. No way. There is no signal. Good stuff. So here, even though we have 3 candles that punch out of the line, this is called the fake breakout. So these 3 candles fake breakout, they try to break the upper limit and want to go bullish, but we got some sellers back into the market. They push the price back. You can see none of these 3 candles is completely outside of the box. They are still touching the line, so they don't qualify as our trigger for entering long position. So well done if you are not tricked into that trade. What about here? Do we have a sell signal here? Are we going to go into a sell position here at all? Yes or no? Okay, you want to see how to set it up. The time frame is 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes is the time frame. Yima Evans, you want to see how to show it? The template, I'll show you. Yes, no trade, no trade, no trade, no trade. Great. We're getting hang on this thing now. Right, so next one is, so we started from the box. No trade here. No trade there. And the next one was actually here. Okay, I want you to tell me what is the box number. I'm going to put arbitrary number. Let me say this is box number 1 here, box number 2 here, box number 3, and number 4. Which box is our trigger candle? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer please. Fingers on the buzzer. Okay. Veronica 2, Takalani Social, 2222, Flander 2, Evans 2, okay, Robert 2, Guzel 2, Oyeka 2, Larry 2, Oyeka 2, Adiwale 2, Kobe 2, Flanders 2, Robert 2. Everybody got this one right. Any dissenting voice at all? Anyone disagree here? Yes, I like Collins. He disagreed. That's fair enough. Fair enough. If it's right, it means it's going to get a better price. Ephraim 2. Yes, Simangliso 2. Solisa 2. Ko Okoli 2. Eugenia 1 of 4. Great. Okay, let's dissect it now, right? So we said this is candle number 1, right? Okay, Colin says 3 and Cranby say 3. Okay, this is candle number 1. Candle number 1 is still touching that line. Okay, we are only looking for candle that doesn't touch the line. It's completely outside and not touching the line. Okay, so candle 1 does not qualify. What about candle number 2? It's outside of the box and it's not touching the line. So that's a pure qualification. If you are awarding a degree or a diploma, you give that candle a senior diploma, higher national diploma. It qualified. And number 3 qualify as well, but we are looking for the first one. So once you get the first one, I mean, you're already in the market, so the third or fourth or fifth will not even matter anymore. You're looking for the first candle that break outside the box and never touch it at all. So damn easy to find. That's number 2, guys, ladies. Okay, so what do we do after we find our candle? We draw our buy line. So let's draw our buy line. Okay, that's where we buy from. Let's just change that to thin line. Okay, so we buy at the close of that candle, right? At the close of this candle. And ladies and gentlemen, look at our stop loss here. All right, if you remember what I told you yesterday, the stop loss here is like double the size of our take profit. All right, so you might want to consider that in your trading. When the stop loss is massive, you look at it and say, oh, do I want to go into this particular one? Okay, it turned out to be good today, as we will see soon. All right, so what is our take profit target? Take profit target is what? Is 13 pips. Okay, for the benefit of the new joiners who's coming today, our strategy is called the Simple Breakout Strategy. So we have a box that is drawn between the hours of 7 and 8 GMT. So it starts at 7 and it ends at 8 GMT. 1 hour. This is 1 hour. We find the high of the 1 hour and the low of the 1 hour. And we draw a box or draw 2 lines. And then we'll be waiting until we find a breakout. Either bullish breakout or bearish breakout. Wherever it break out to, we shall follow. Okay, so today it tends to want to break to the upside initially, but it was a fake breakout. We were not caught unaware. All right, because this 3 candle didn't give us any trade. The other breakout as well is a fake breakout. We didn't go into any trade because our system says you only take a position when you see a candle that is completely formed outside of the box. And none of these 3, none of these 2. Okay, so as we go on along the day, now we see this candle is completely outside the box. You can see the high of it, the close of it, the open and the low, they are not even near to the line. So this is the qualifying candle. That's our breakout candle, our target candle, whatever name you want to call it. Right, so that is where we are going to go long, and our profit target will be 13 pips. So we are looking for 13 pips. Let me make it smaller here so we can see if we get our 13 pips. Right, from here, did we get 13 pips? Up to the high there. Jesus, am I not seeing 40 pips there? Looks like it's a 40 pips. Ladies and gentlemen, you get TP1, which is the size of the box, TP2, which is twice the size of the box if you want, and if you want to go ahead and on, you can go on and on. So you got your take profit 1 and take profit 2. Well, if you are in this trade, it's a little bit scary because it looks like he wants to throw you out, but eventually it went your way. Excellent. Great stuff. Any question? Video offline. Is the video offline really? Is video offline really? Can you see, hear me, everybody? Can you see the video? Yeah? Oh no, now. Your system shows 16. Okay, your system shows 16. Okay, doesn't matter. You make your 16 pip. Yes. Okay, all clear. Excellent, excellent. All right, all right. That's a blip there. Okay. Good stuff. Okay, so that is how the story of Euro has gone today. Do we consider the news before trade? Not at all. No at all, because you are already in the trade before the news come in. You enter at 7 GMT and news are coming later in the day, so the news can be of help to you as well. So this is basically a breakout strategy. So you put in your stop loss and you put in your TP1, TP2. Okay, excellent. All right, so that's the story of euro dollar. Let's look at the story of next one, Swiss francs. Okay, story of Swiss francs. Here we go. Wow, did you notice what is happening today? They try to fake us out. See, they try to do some fake. Look, those three are trying to fake us out. Here they are trying to fake us out as well. Yeah, right. So tell me, which candle number is the first one outside of the box here? Candle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which candle number, please? Okay, you want to see Nasdaq 100? We'll try that later on. Candle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which candle number qualify? Which is our trigger candle? Number 4, you said. Are you sure? Number 4, number 4, number 2, number 3, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 5. Wow. Okay. Number 4. Okay, okay. I'm sure everyone has got the reason why they say 4 or 2. Okay. All right. If you say number 2, can you give us a reason why you think it's number 2? If you say number 2, give us a reason why you think it's number 2. All right, for everyone that says 2, what's the reason why? Have you got a reason for it? Yeah. If you say number 3, have you got a reason for it? If you say number 3, have you got a reason? Have you got a reason for it? Yeah. Okay, wick touching the line. Yes, wick is touching the line. So when the wick is touching the line, that means it's not qualified. Yes. So we're not looking for the one that touched the line. We're looking for the candle that does not touch the line. So number 4 and number 5. Right, number 4 and number 5. Robert, 4 is not touching the line. Correct. Okay. Flanders, you change your mind. 4 then. Excellent. Okay, good stuff. I understand this is a little bit too close to call. This particular candle is too close to call. So when it's too close to call, just say it is touching. Yeah, if you are not sure, just assume it is touching, because you don't want to go wrong. So when it's too close, give it the benefit of the doubt. Say, okay, I'm not sure, I will wait. Okay, be on the cautious side. Okay, So this is number 1, definitely it is touching. Number 2, definitely it's touching. Number 3, definitely, well, it's touching. Yeah, I can see it's touching. But number 4, this dodgy candle here is completely outside, even though it looks like an orphan. It looks like somebody is alone, but it's outside the box and it's not touching the line. So that is our candle. It doesn't matter what size it is, whether it's a bullish or bearish or indecision candle, it is still our candle. Excellent. So here we are going to go short. All right, so we're going to go short from here, from the close of that candle number 2. Okay, did you notice now that our stop loss is not as bad as the previous one? It's not like double our take profit target this time. Yeah, okay, that's a difference when you're looking at risk reward ratio. Okay, now what is our take profit on this one? TP on this one, oh, it's only small. Wow, it's only 8 pips. 8 pips TP, 8 pips TP. So do we have 8 pips? I'm sure you would definitely agree with me that we have way more than 8 pips. Actually 8 pips, we got 8 pips in no time. This is already 13 pips. And what do we get up to? We actually get up to 42 pips. So our take profit 1 is 8 pips. Our take profit 2 is 16 pips. If you go for take profit 3, or you have another way of following the trend, you will catch as much as you want, but at least you guarantee your TP1 and TP2 today. So we've looked at euro. We had goods market on euro, we had on USD chef. And any questions? Okay, 11 pips on yours. Okay, okay, so let's check the box. Let's check the box. Okay, let's check the box. Somebody wants to look at the box. Okay, this is the box. This is the box. So in my case, as you can see, it's 9 to 10. All right, 9 to 10. So I am taking off, because if I do, I'm taking off one minute just to show all the candles before 10 o'clock. I don't want to include that 10 o'clock candle. Okay, so between 9 and 10 o'clock. So 8:59, 9:59. So if you change it to 9 to 10, 9:00, 9:00, 10:00. Okay, so this is what you get. Okay, so 9:00, 10:00. When you go to 1 hour chart, okay, so on the 1 hour chart, this is that's not today, sorry, let's go to today. Today is this one here. Okay, so on a 1 hour chart, this is the 10 o'clock candle. Okay, but we are after 9 o'clock candle, this candle, right? We are after this candle here, 9 o'clock candle. Okay, we're after 9 o'clock candle, 7 a.m. candle. That's the one we're after. Okay, so in my 5 minutes, in my 5 minutes, if I go back to my indicator, so I take 1 minute off this one. So instead of 9, it's 8:59, and instead of 10, it's 9:59. Okay, then this is my box. So that means I'm not including 10 o'clock. So just between 9 and 10. Okay, so that's how I draw the box. I have sent the indicators to all of you guys, and the template is there as well. Okay, yes, change its place. Yes, Flanders. Okay, if you want indicator, send your email address. Okay, all right. Yes, so on a USD chef, where there's no buy signal, all of them are still touching, and there's no sell signal here as well. Time frame is 5 minutes, please. 5 minutes time frame. Okay, 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so on this one we got our 8 pips and 16 pips, TP1 and TP2. Okay, setting the box. Okay, so let's move to the next one. We'll talk more about the box also. Let's go to GBP USD. This is pound dollar. Okay, who traded pound dollar today? Did anybody traded pound dollar? Anybody? $8.59 until $9.59. You want to use US 30? Okay, we'll get there. Let's look at this first. Okay, so this is the box for USD, for GBP USD GU. Okay, you notice that we were tricked into this trade, right? We got into this trade here. Okay, we got into this trade because the candle is not touching, so this will be a qualifying candle. Okay, and when this is qualifying candle, it means it asks us to go short here. Okay, at the close of that candle, go short, and of course you get stopped out here. But see what happened after. You got another chance here, and let's see if you hit your take profit, because here it asks you to go short again. Actually, this candle is also not touching, so you could have gone short here again on that candle, and you are looking for how many pips? You are looking for 23 pips. And do we have 23 pips from here? Yes, we got 23 pips. TP1. Do we have 46 for TP2? Yes, I think we do. Let me move it a little bit. Yeah, we do. Do we have 46 pips from that line? 46. Yes, this is 54. So we got TP1 and we got our TP2. Okay, excellent. So on on GU today, we got one stop out, which is this sell here, but we got another sell which give us double of what we stopped out with. Okay, all right, anybody wants to look at anything else? Anything else? USD JPY, USD card, Aussie Japanese yen. Okay, let me see Aussie Japanese yen, because that's one of the one I show you on the screenshot, the one that the guy made some good profit on. Okay, let's review this one. Okay, this guy, which candle is the qualifying candle here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one is the qualifying candle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, number 4. Yeah, number 4. Yeah, number 3. Siabonga. Number 3. Yeah, you correct it. Don't let the teacher come and get you there. Yeah. Okay, Takani Falls. Zahido, double four, up here, 4, up here, 4, right. Modesta, 4, yeah, you getting it? Seems everybody's getting this right now. Excellent. Ruben, you asking a question. Okay, the question is, which candle is formed completely outside the box? The first candle to be formed completely outside the box, not touching the line. Okay, which candle number? We start from this one. We just call it, say this is candle number 1. Let's say this is number 2. Let's say this is 3, that's 4, and this is number 5. So which number do you think is completely outside of the box and is not touching? Okay. All right, Moses 4. Okoli 3. Okay, now let's see, how do we get it right or wrong? Okay, if you say it is number 1, it is wrong, because number 1 candle is still touching and is still inside. If you say number 2, it's wrong. Number 2 is touching, part of it is outside, but some of it is still touching the line. If you say number 3, it's wrong, because it's still touching that line, even though some of it is outside. But if you say number 4, that's correct, because all of the candle, they were all outside. So this one even doesn't have a wick, but if it had a wick and it's outside, then it qualifies. So right now this qualifies. So number 4 is our trigger candle. Number 5 qualify as well, but we don't need number 5 since we got number 4. We're looking for the first one. Okay, so let's put in our sell order here at the close of that candle. Okay, at the close of that candle. So that's the close of the candle. Okay, what's our take profit target this time around? 15 pips. Let's just call it 15 pips. So our TP1 is 15 pips. Our TP2 is 30 pips. So let's see, do we get 15 and 30 pips? Did we get 15 and 30 pips from that line? 15 pips? Sure we did. That's 17. Do we get 30 pips? What is that? This is already 37 as we speak. 37. So on Aussie Japanese here, you got TP1, you got TP2. Okay, somebody want to see Aussie Chef and Euro Chef. Okay, Aussie Chef next. Similar story. I'm sure you get here, you get TP1 to TP10 if you want. You get TP1 to TP10 if you want to. All right, so let's make it bigger. Okay, now I'm going to give you the exercise. Simple exercise. Candle number 1 or candle number 2? Which one is our trigger candle? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? Which is the trigger candle? 1 or 2? Which is the trigger candle? Number 1 or number 2? Sure. Let me see, somebody's going to say 1. Let me see, someone is there to say 1. What is the trigger candle? 1 or 2? Okay. Number 2. Number 2. Oh, yes. It breaks before. Zahido, correct. You have an eagle eye. It is correct. Zahido is correct. So no one picked that up. Nobody picked it up. Zahid, you picked it up. Yes, you're right. Look at that. Look at this candle here. This is the breakout candle. This guy here. Did anybody notice that? we were focusing on this big one here, but this candle actually is outside the box. Zahil, yeah, you're right. This is outside the box. This candle is outside the box. This candle is outside the box. So this is actually the candle that qualified first. Because it's not touching. It's not touching it. It's outside the box. So this small candle is the candle we're looking for. Okay. So that's our trigger candle here. Alright. That's our trigger candle. Okay. So it's not touching. Do we all agree to that? If you agree, yes. If you don't agree, no. Do we all agree to that? Yeah, do you agree this is the candle? This is the correct candle we should be looking at. The trigger candle is here. Yeah, that's correct. Excellent. Okay, Ruben, you don't agree. Okay, why? Explain, Ruben. Why? Why do you think it's not the candle? Why do you think it's not? Okay, set in the box. Yes, I will do that. So, Ruben, why did you think it's not the right candle? Yeah. Eric, welcome, Eric. Yep. Okay, right. Okay, I believe it's the candle because it's completely outside the box. It is completely outside the box. Though it looks like it's touching it. Let me see if I can zoom a little bit more. Okay. Let me zoom a little bit more. Okay, now, Ruben, tell me, Ruben, is it touching? Is this our candle or not? I want to hear from Ruben now. Who says number 2? Who says this one is not the candle we're looking for? Like now, it's now big, massive. Yeah? Okay, look now. Is it touching now, Ruben? Is it touching now? Right. Okay. Okay. So Ruben is converted to our way now. Yes, you can see. Great stuff. I like when everything is so clear. No ambiguity. Everything is so clear. Instruction is perfect. Okay, so we all agree this is the candle. Okay, let's move on. All right, so we know that's the candle. So our take profit on this one is going to be 14 pips take profit, and take profit is 14 pips. We're going to look for 14 pips. The TP one, we got it around here. This is already 15, and then we're looking for another 14 pips. 28. Do we get 28 pips? Oh yeah, we got 50 pips. You got more than 28 pips. You got 50 pips, and it's still going. It's still running, right? Excellent. Okay. Any question? Somebody says they want to see the box again. Okay, let me show you the box one more time. Okay. This is the trick of the trade. This is the trick of the trade. If you don't come to this channel, you won't see this. Okay. Right. Sessions is between 9 and 10. Right, but I take a minute off of 9 and a minute off of 10. Okay, it's 9 to 10 because I'm using IC market. IC market is 2 hours ahead, so I'm using IC market. It's supposed to be 9 to 10, but I take a minute off that and a minute off this, so you can set yours like that. Okay, I hope that is clear now. Yeah. XAU US, okay, New Zealand XAU USD, XAU USD, gold. What happened to gold today? I would like to check gold every day. We like to check gold every day because we made 3,000 US dollar on gold the last time. Yeah, that's why I like gold. So what is the story of gold today? Anybody? Is it a buy or a sell on gold? A buy or a sell on gold today? Anybody? Buy or sell on gold? Buy, yes, it's a buy on gold. Ruben, the time is 7 to 8 GMT. You should trade it between 7 and 8 GMT. That's the box, okay? And you should look for signal up until the end of European session. If you don't get a signal by the end of European session, you should call it a day. Okay, bye. The strategy is fire. It's on fire. The strategy is on fire. Don't tell the brokers. Don't let the broker knows about this. Don't let them spoil the business for you. Right. So, good people. Now, let's see. Where are we coming in for this one? Let's see. Where is our... Let's see. Now, this is the box. Here, there's no trade. As usual, no trade here. Okay, nothing here for you. Okay, now this is the trade. Okay. This is box number 1, box number 2, box number 3. Which one is the trigger box? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, everybody must get it right now. I'm serious. 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, or 3. Okay, I see 2. I see 2. I see 2. Hello, Albert. Welcome. I see you there. Number 2. 2, 2, 2. I want to see who's going to say something else. Number 2, Ruben. Yeah. Yeah. Welcome. You're just joining us now. Excellent. Okay. See ya. I saw your email. All right. Sam, number 3. Explain yourself, Sam. Explain yourself. Why you said number 3? And Collins, explain yourself. This is number 1. That's number 2. That's number 3. Okay. Why do you think it's number 3? Explain yourself before we move on. Okay, this is number 1, number 2, number 3. Which one is the trigger candle? Okay. Which candle never touched the line and is outside the box? The first candle that is outside the box and does not touch the line. Which candle? Is it the first one that is not touching the candle and outside, or the second one not touching the candle and is outside, or the third one not touching the candle and is outside? Which one comes first out of these 3 candles, which is outside and not touching the line? Okay. Okay, see, I'm in 2. Right. Moses, okay, let's solve the conundrum. Most of us know it already. So, number 1 is touching, right? You can see definitely is touching the line. Number 2 is not touching the line at all. Therefore, that is our candle. Number 3 is also qualified, but it's not the first. So we are going with the first one that we see. We see this number 2 candle as the first one that is outside the box and is not touching the line. So this is our trigger candle. For today, we are buying gold at let's see what price we are paying for gold today. So we are paying 1,679 US dollar for gold today. 1,679 US dollar for gold. And what is the profit we are looking for today? Let's measure this box. Let me make it easier for us to see now. Now today we are looking for how many? Geez, 73 pips on gold. We are looking for 73 pips. Ladies and gentlemen, Let me make it smaller. Yes. So we got long from here, and we're looking for 73 as a TP1. 73 TP1. 73. Of course, we got 70. We got 70. 83 already here. 78 already here. Did we get double? 73 multiplied by 2, that would be 146. Did we get up to 146 pips from that our line here? 146 pips, right? We got 250 pips. Jeez. So we're looking for TP1, which is just 73 pips. So we got TP1 73 pips. We got TP2 146. We got TP3 or TP4 if you want to, but at least you know 1 and 2, TP1 and 2, you go home with good sum of pips today. Excellent. 146, that's what we got. You want to get the box, okay, the indicator, yeah, pop in your email address and then one will be sent to you. You want to GBP Turkey Lira. You want to see GBP Turkish Lira. Let's do that. GBP Turkish Lira, GBP Turkish Lira. Oh, I'll type it. GBP Turkish. Alright, wait. Do I have this one on my chart here? Nah, I don't have it here. My friend, it's not on my chart here. Anyone else? What do you want to see again? Anybody want to see something else? What about GBP JPY? Ah, look at that. Look at GBP JPY. That's fantastic. Oh, have we checked that before? It looks like we've seen something similar to this one before. And isn't GBP JPY something else? All right. So this time around, this is our position. This is short here. We are going to go short from that line. Our take profit target is what? 20 pips, right? So we're looking for 20 pips. 20 pips from there. We got what? We got 80 pips, ladies and gentlemen. 80 pips. I mean, how many charts have you checked today? I hope you're not tired of winning. Don't be tired of winning, guys and ladies. New Zealand US dollar, US Tech 100, US Tech 100. Where is that? US Tech 100, US Tech 100, US Tech, US Tech. Yeah, US Tech 100. Maybe that one. Okay, right. This is US Tech 100. I think it's also fantastic. If you look at that, this guy is on a roll. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on a roll here. We have become invincible. Don't be carried away too much. All right. On this occasion, initially you got trigger here, so you will have taken a short position here, and then you'll be stopped out here. But that is the half of the story, right? The big story is that you are here to make huge, because you have a breakout to the top here. Okay, so your long here will be none of this candle here. It will be at the end of that candle. That will be your long position. Long position from there. And what are we looking for? We are looking for how many pips of these. Gee, how can I read this? This is 461. 461. That is the number of pips you are looking for from that line. 461. How many do we have? This is going to run into thousands, I guess. How many do we have? This is 2,200 and something, 2,250, right? 2,250. So you get your TP1 and TP2. All right. Australia, New Zealand. Somebody mentioned Australia and New Zealand. Let's check that out. Let me warn everybody that this doesn't work 100% of the time. We have some good day. Today might be a good day for this strategy. Sometimes it may not work all the time, so be careful not to just go haywire and put it on every chart. So this is New Zealand, Australia, New Zealand today. Okay, so Australia, New Zealand today. Okay, we already had this Australia, New Zealand. Okay, this is today. Okay, so this is today. Let me delete that line first. Okay, what happened here, as we have seen before, we got triggered into a sell position here, which you will have gone into it fine. See, I'm not scared of going hitting a stop loss, not at all. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. If you don't hit a stop loss, you don't take your losses, that means you want a huge big loss at the end. So when the loss comes, take it, but the profit is also on the way. So now you take a loss here because you come in, and let's see how much pips. In fact, you might not even take a loss here. Let's see how many pips you got. You got 7 pips, nearly 8 pips, and your take profit was supposed to be what? 11 pips. So you're very close to take profit target, 11 pips, but of course, it didn't reach your take profit target, 3 pips short. So what do? You either come out at break even, because definitely you don't want to actually go to hit stop loss. I will look at my trade from +8 to -2, to 2 and to 0 and then to minus something. So when I see that it's turning against me, I will just close it at break even and I wait for another opportunity. So some of this might not actually lead to a stop loss at all if you plan your trade properly. Any question? Right, yes. Greetings, Habib. Welcome. Mr. Abdul, you're welcome. Right. I hope I'm looking. Yes, so guys, now what we're doing now is we're looking at this one and finding our take profit target. So our take profit target will be the size of this box, and the size of this box is what? Is, oh, we said it before, it was 11 pips. So do we have 11 pips? Okay, no, let's look at where we enter the buy position here. So now we jump into a buy position at the end of this candle here, at the end here. Let me zoom in so you can see. Let's take that line off. Okay, let me take this line off so you can decide which one is the. Okay, so this is the line here. This is candle number 1, candle number 2, candle number 3. Which candle is our trigger candle? 1, 2, or 3? Fingers on the buzzer. Fingers on the buzzer. Fingers on the buzzer, please. Okay, which number are we talking about? Number 2, number 2, number 3. Number 2, number 2, number 3. This is number 1. That's number 2. That's number 3. Which one? Number 2. Okay. All right. So we all agree that it's number. Most of us agree that it's number 2. Okay. For those people that say it's number 3, let's see whether you are right. So if you say number 1, that's wrong because it's still touching the line. If you say number 2, that's correct because it's not touching the line and it's the first one. So those that says number 3, I wonder Why don't you pick number 2? Any reason why you omit number 2 and go for number 3? Number 2 is outside the box and it's not touching. Okay, so that is our number 2. At the close of number 2 is our trade. At the close of number 2 is our trade. So we go here, from here we go long from here. Okay, and what's our take profit target? Let's find out. This is the box. Our take profit target, did we measure it before? All right, take profit target is, okay, we said 11 pips. So from where we entered here, we're looking for 11 pips from there. From here, 11 pips. Did we get 11 pips? Yep, we got 18 pips. So we got 18 pips, so we hit our TP1 at least. So if you have taken maybe 4 or 5 pips here, fine. If you are broken even here without anything, that's stop loss here, that's fine. But definitely here you will gain some stuff back. Excellent, great stuff. Okay, any more questions? We're gonna round up very soon. Pop in your question quick. Yeah, who's leading the row? Is it Kobe or Flanders? Who is leading? You're gonna become the class captain here. You're gonna become the class captain. JT, sound breaking up. Okay, it should be back now. I think I received a phone call earlier. Mobile phone, I switched it off already now, so it shouldn't interfere with our settings again. Okay, everybody, thank you so much. Any question? US 30. Somebody wants to see US 30. Okay, let's quickly do that for is that T Lacy? Okay. If you are new here for the first time, ask a question and we answer you. Only for the people that are new. If you are new, today is your first time, ask us a question and we shall answer you. Let's go for US 30. US 30. If you are here already, don't ask me any question. Huh? If you are old member, don't ask me question. Ask me question if you are new. I want to hear for the new people. All right. So, all right. What are we talking about? US 30. We are into US 30 here. So we draw our line as usual. Let's make it a bigger line. Right, I will drop the second one here. Okay. Hey guys, what happened there? Is there any trade? Yes or no? Quick. Fingers on the buzzer. Any trade here? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Any trade? Any trade there? Yes or no? I don't use trading view, guys. I use MT4. I use MT4. Have you popped in your email, Lisa? If you put on your email, yesterday there was something happened. All the email that were popped in this chat box disappeared after the session finished. All the email just disappeared. So if I haven't sent it to you, please go back to the video and just make a comment and include your email address on the video, then I will send it to you in case it happened again today. Okay, so everybody agree there is no sell signal here. Okay, when do we get a signal? Okay, all right, here we get a signal. Okay, this is candle number 1, candle number 2, candle number 3. You will all agree with me that candle number 2 is the correct candle. So candle number 2 is our candle over there. Right. So candle 2 is our candle to sell. Okay. So we are going to sell there. And what's our, we're looking for what? We're looking for how many pips? Hey. This is 2019. How many do we have for now? I don't think we have reached our target yet, but it's still going on. How many do we have? At the best, we have 1,000 and what? 1,089 or something like that. Okay. So, guys, you know, you should always close your position before the end of the day. So don't leave your position because you haven't hit your take profit target yet. Don't say, oh, I will keep it until tomorrow. No, remember, tomorrow is going to be another box. Tomorrow is going to be another box. This is yesterday box. Look at that, yesterday box. See how massive profit is there yesterday. Go back again, look at the previous day. Every day there's a box. This is another one here. This one will have given you a powerful buy trade. You know, go on the history and check. On and on you can go. This will have given you a powerful buy trade. Guys, I'm going to sign off very soon. I hope you had a good day today. I hope you enjoyed it. Anybody who's new, ask a question. Any new person ask question. I ask the new people to ask question. All right, if there is no question from anybody new, then that will be it for today. That will be it for today. So pop in your email address, and the indicator will be sent to you. Okay, yes, you can do that on TradingView. Yes, so you can do it manually on TradingView. Yeah, okay, you are Flanders is new. Yeah, I agree, you are new. Only if you are new. New Zealand, what's that? Alex, are you new? Oh, New Zealand USD, New Zealand USDN. No, we've done that. New Zealand USD, haven't we done New Zealand US dollar? New Zealand US dollar, New Zealand US dollar. This is New Zealand US dollar. Look at that. Look at that. So this will have given you a good trade on that day. This is a good sell, right? This is a good sell. Powerful sell. Powerful sell. Another powerful sell. So if you don't believe it, you can look at it yourself. We're not faking it. Another powerful sell. Is this today? This is probably today. This is today. Yeah, this is today for New Zealand US dollar. This is today, right? Okay, let's quickly measure this before we round up today. Before we close the shop. Shop is closing very soon. How many pips? 17 pips. And we got our 17 pips from where? I think this box is the first one. Yeah, this is the first one that pop out. This is the first one that pop out. So we're looking for 17 pips from there. Did we get it? Of course. we got more than that. This is already 20 something pips. This is already 34 pips. So we already got TP1 and TP2 by now. And it's still going down. See? It's still going down. So we got TP1, TP2 excellently. Okay, house, thank you so much for today. It's a pleasure for me to have a chat with you and show you this strategy. So guys, ladies, careful when you trade. Make sure you protect yourself. It is not 100% all the time, but as you can see, most of the time we have checked it out. They are always correct, and when we had a stop loss, we are able to protect it.